India is concerned as China has passed a new land law that allows China to bring and settle scores of its people along the border with India. It is seen to work as China's first line of defense. China seems to be hardening its stand on border issues amid the failure of multiple rounds of military and diplomatic negotiations with India to resolve the 18-month-long military standoff in eastern Ladakh. The Chinese government has passed a new law on 23rd October stipulating that the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the country are sacred and inviolable. Under the garb of the new land border law, China vows legally to reclaim territories which it says belongs to it. China shares a 22,000-kilometer land border with 14 nations. The new law allows China to take measures to safeguard its territorial integrity and land boundaries and guard against and combat any acts that undermine territorial sovereignty and land boundaries. The development comes a few days after China signed a memorandum of understanding with Bhutan. The MOU speaks of a three-step roadmap for a settlement of China-Bhutan boundary dispute. China has serious differences over the border with India in different regions, especially Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. 22 rounds of special representatives level talks since 2003 to resolve the border dispute have not yielded any positive outcome. Experts believe that China's new law strengthens the People's Liberation Army's policy to use the new law and create settlements along the border to work as the first line of defense. Recently, Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey, Eastern Commander of the Indian Army, stated that villages on the other side of the border were part of China's strategy model and therefore a matter of concern. It is estimated that since 2017, the Chinese Communist Party has been building 628 border defense villages in Tibet along its frontier with India and Bhutan. China has worked on better infrastructure in the area with a dual use strategy, which means it can be used for both civilians and military purposes.